In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of reporting media in posts on Twitter using your PC. Reporting sensitive images or content is crucial for maintaining a safe and positive online environment. Follow these steps to report media on Twitter effectively. To begin, navigate to the post containing the media that you would like to report. This can be done by clicking on the specific tweet or post that includes the image or content you find sensitive or inappropriate. Next, locate the More icon, typically represented by 3 dots, and click or tap on it to reveal additional options related to the post. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the option that says Report Post. By choosing this option, you are indicating that you want to report the content within the post for review by Twitter's moderation team. After selecting Report Post, a new window may appear asking you to specify the reason for reporting. In this case, select the option that indicates the content displays a sensitive image. This step helps Twitter understand the nature of the report and take appropriate action. By following these steps to report sensitive media on Twitter, you are contributing to a safer and more respectful online community. Reporting inappropriate content helps maintain the platform's guidelines and ensures a positive user experience for everyone.